In this short video, we demonstrate how to create a one-line using EasyPower. Creating a one-line diagram in EasyPower is simple and fast. Open EasyPower and start with a blank one-line. Click the Maximize button so the one-line fills the session window. Make sure you are in the Database Edit focus. The equipment palette should be visible on the left side of your session window. If it isn't, you can right-click on the one-line and select View Equipment Palette to display it. You can also use the Insert ribbon to add equipment to the one-line. Click once in the Equipment palette to select the equipment item. When you hover over an icon, the name is displayed. Select the bus from the Equipment palette, and then click once on the one-line to place it. Drag the end of the bus to resize it. Double-click on the bus to enter information about it. The red exclamation mark indicates a required entry. You must enter the base kV to save the bus. Enter 13.8 as the base kV. You can enter more information about the bus by selecting the different tabs. Click Help for information about the fields. When you are finished entering information, click OK to save your changes. Create 3 more buses below the first bus and resize them. Double-click on Bus 2 to enter a base kV of 0.48 and then click OK. Click the bus once. Notice it turns green to indicate that it is selected. While the bus is selected, click Copy. Drag a box around Bus 3 and Bus 4 to select them. Click Paste. Notice the kV amounts are copied. Drag the buses to rearrange them. Select a 2-winding transformer from the equipment palette. Attach the top leader line of the transformer to the bottom of bus 1. Notice that the lower area of the transformer is red, indicating that it is not connected. Drag the bottom leader line to the top of bus 2. Double-click on the transformer to enter the transformer data. On the Impedance tab, enter the Z field and then click Calculate. Click OK when finished. Select the cable from the equipment palette. Drag the cable from bus 2 to bus 3. Double-click the cable to enter the cable data. Click Calculate to have some of the cable information automatically calculated for you. Note that in this case, you can save the cable data without filling in the fields with exclamation marks, but you won't be able to perform analysis functions until the fields are filled in. Select a motor from the equipment palette. Add a motor to bus 3. You can double-click on the motor to enter the motor horsepower and to calculate the full load amps. Again, the red exclamation marks indicate fields that are required for analysis. Select the Short Circuit tab to calculate the X/R ratio. Repeat these steps to add another motor to bus 3. You can enter the data manually or copy and paste as you did earlier. Add a cable between bus 2 and bus 4. Double-click on the cable to enter the cable data just like you did before. Select Panel Schedule in the Equipment palette. Place the panel schedule below bus 4. You can double-click on the panel to enter panel data. Panel schedules are covered in more detail in a separate tutorial. Select the cable from the Equipment palette. Drag the cable between bus 4 and panel 1. Double-click on the cable to enter the cable information. Select the utility from the Equipment palette. Attach the utility to the top of the bus. Information about the utility appears next to it on the one line. You can double-click on the utility to change the information, just like you did with the bus. Select the low voltage breaker from the Equipment palette. Click on the cables at each location where you want a low voltage breaker. You have just created a one-line with EasyPower. This is just a sample of how easy it is to work with EasyPower. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about EasyPower. If you are an existing EasyPower customer and want to learn more about how to use the program, open the program's help documentation and look for the tutorial section. If you are a new customer who would like to try EasyPower for yourself, go to www.easypower.com where you can download a free demo version of the software.